This is primarily attributed to the committee, which in the ministerial committee which I am heading, meetings, in the ministerial meetings, because earlier we used to get clearances very late because we have to seek clearances from various ministries, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Defence, WPC and HRD, Agricultural Ministries. There used to be a lot of delay in earlier cases. Now we have initiated this in the Ministerial Coordination Committee with the objective to speed up the clearing process. So every 7th of every month, all these representatives from these ministries come to MIB, and we take stock of the various pending applications with the respective departments. And this has really helped to clear the pending cases with these ministries. And we are expecting, there used to be a number of pending cases with WPC. Now it has drastically come down due to the efforts taken by the ministry towards this end. See, there has been the change in the attitude of the ministries, because earlier their knowledge about community radio is very sketchy. Now they are also very excited to see the sector to grow up. So they are also they are also expressing a lot of interest in taking the CR sector forward. So we have been seeing a remarkable changes in the attitude of the ministries in clearing up the process. And in the days to come, we are also seeing the number of pending applications will come down because this committee, which is meeting every month. We are aiming at the single window clearances at the ministry, but we have been discussing major delay which occurs at the level of Department of Telecommunication, because the prospective applicants has to go a couple of times to get different clearances, such as frequency allocation, SATFAC clearances and WOI. So we are aiming at to have a single window clearances from all the single window setup, so that the applicant can directly come to the ministry, and the ministry in turn deal with this with the respective ministries. I think single window clearance comes to reality. The prospective applicants there will be hassle-free licensing process in the years to come. This is a unique system which INP ministry has set up, because no other ministry has set up this kind of facilitation center. I think it has really helped the applicants. It's a one-stop shop to clear the doubts and problems which community radio stations are facing. I think they are playing an effective role in so far as community radio stations are concerned.